Hello, TNM squad. Happy new month. Let me officially welcome you all to a new era. Yeah, welcome to our month of blessings, okay? So, guys, we hit 7,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much to everyone. This is all of us, okay? And if you are just joining, welcome to the family. So yeah, we do all kind of recipes, and today we are making chicken pie filling. Okay, so here is all the stuff I'll be needing apart from the condiments, which is like the spices I will need in the kitchen. Yeah, like the stuff I'll be needing. Anything else I'll let you know. Okay, so yeah, I have shredded chicken. All I did, I just like, is chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs, but make sure to debone it. So this is chicken breast. I just put in my food processor and process it. Over here I have white onion. Okay, that's what I'll be frying. I just put it there to space. So yeah, I have some Irish potato chopped. I'm not going to be using all of them, obviously this chicken is small. Okay, so yeah, I have some carrots, well cut. Yeah, I have some minced veggies like the green peas and sweet corn. This is absolutely optional, but any opportunity to add veggies, I go for it. So yeah, I have already cooked chicken breasts. So I was cooking chicken yesterday, so I added this, and this is already cooked chicken breast. So I just shred it. Okay, this is going to be like the whole I just like the whole feeling, the texture, or the feeling of I adding a chunk of chicken in my chicken pie. Okay, so this I'll be adding like last in the while I'm cooking. So that's what this is for. So let's go and get this done with. So first thing first, you want to put your pot on the stove. You want to go ahead and add vegetable oil, soya oil, whatever oil you are using. Okay, any cooking oil that you have available. So you want to go ahead and add that, allow it to get hot. Then you proceed to adding your onion. Okay, so this is the white onion I showed you earlier, but you can also use any onion, like red onion that you have. Okay, so you just want to stir this a bit and go ahead to add your chicken. Just stir it a bit. You just want the onions to release its flavor. So now I'm adding my minced chicken. So what happened is, I noticed the chicken was not really minced very well, so I had to take it back to the food processor to mince it again, because I didn't really do the first one myself, so they probably didn't understand the texture I wanted. So I went ahead and re-minced it, so now it's perfect, because I want this one to actually be well minced. This is not the one I want to be chunky. Like you saw earlier, I actually preserve already cooked chicken breast, which I'll be adding at the end. And that one is chunky, okay? It's shredded by hand, not by machine. So that one will give me what I want. This one I want it very well minced. Okay, so what you want to do, you just want to stir, like you want to keep stirring, just to break all of this chicken out. You understand? You don't want it to mold, so you just keep stirring to break it out. The onion and the chicken is there, so you just want to keep stirring. Okay, chicken breast cook quite fast, so you just want to stir to get all of it broken. Like you don't want it to be mold. Okay, so you just want to do this quickly and just like start adding your stuff. So now I'm going to start adding, because the chicken looks quite cooked. Okay, and it's looking good already. So I'm going to add this Avico chicken seasoning. It's like grilled chicken seasoning. Okay, it tastes really good, by the way. It tastes really nice. I like it. So you want to add that. Go ahead and add your salt, your seasoning powder, your ginger, garlic, whatever seasoning. Okay, there's no manual to the seasoning you can add. So I went ahead and I added salt. I added turmeric powder, because I want to change the color. Okay, I don't have curry is also an option, but I don't have it, so instead I added turmeric powder. I want the color to like get yellowish. Okay, so I added that, and I went ahead to just add all of the other condiments. Okay, so this is me adding thyme, ginger, garlic. I added seasoning powder. I added rosemary. Yeah, that's basically everything that I added on this in this pot. Okay, so yeah, we're going to continue stirring just to get all of those ingredients well incorporated in this chicken. You can see what the turmeric did to this mix. You can see it's looking really nice, and that is exactly what I want. So this is it. You just want to keep stirring just so it doesn't burn. So even if there's oil there, I'm not using a non-stick pot. It's still going to burn if I don't turn. So I'm just stirring, stirring, and stirring just so it doesn't burn. So you can see how fine this thing is looking. So my tripod is not really tall. So I'm just trying to show you guys how the inside looks. Okay, so now I'm done adding all of my seasoning. I remembered I had this chicken stock from when I bought some chicken yesterday, so I decided to add it. Okay, so if you noticed, I didn't really add much of the spices. I didn't add a lot. Okay, so this chicken stock is actually going to enhance the taste, and it actually did. Okay, so I added some water, not too much, and now I'm adding the veggies. The veggies I'm adding now is the Irish potato and the carrot only. I'm not adding the sweet corn and the green peas yet, because those are already kind of soft. They are the canned one, not the fresh ones. Okay, so they are kind of soft already. I don't want that to over cook, so I'm going to add that later on. So now I'm just stirring all of that together. I'm still going to add more water to this because I want the water to be at the content level. Okay, so I'm going to add more water because when I finally thicken this with the cornstarch or flour, but today I'm using cornstarch. So when I finally thicken it, it's going to be really moist. It's going to come out really nice. Okay, I don't like it like dry. You don't want it dry, so the content of water you put is actually going to determine what the moist or the dryness is going to be like. So this is the water I added. Okay, so I'm going to cook this until the potato and the carrot is soft enough. And I came back, I pressed on the potato and the carrot, and they were well cooked. Like, this was okay already. So what I did, I added the green peas and the sweet corn, which is what I am adding now because I didn't add it earlier due to the fact that it was already cooked. Okay, so now I'm adding all of that. I'm giving it a good stir, and now I'm going to mix my okay, I'm adding the chicken, the shredded chicken now, because I still want all of the seasoning in this stock to cook in it. Okay, so I'm adding the shredded chicken now, and I'm going to give this a stir and allow it to sit in there for some time as well. Okay, so I just want it to sit in there and cook a little more, like let all of this sauce, all of this ingredient going on in the pot, let it marry it. Okay, so I went ahead and just add some chopped atarodo, which is fresh pepper, because I just decided to add it last minute. I want the hotness. I just want the hotness in there. So it's not really much. You can do more, you can do less. You can add dried grinded pepper as well if that's what you want. So I'm just saying this. You can see how beautiful this looks. Like, it's looking inviting. I don't know, maybe you can even eat this with rice. What do you guys think? So I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my thickener. Okay, like I said, today I'm using corn flour. You can use all purpose flour, any flour. Like, you just need something to thicken this up. You can see there's still liquid in there. Like I said, the amount of liquid you allow is how moist it's going to be. And me, I like my filling moist so that when you bite open, you can feel all of the juice, unlike it's just being dry. So this is not fish roll, it's not sausage roll. You really want it to be moist, so the amount of water will determine how moist it will be. So I'm just going to go ahead. I measured I think three spoons of corn flour. I added water. You can see this is not thick at all, so you want to just stir and make sure everything is well mixed. Go ahead and add it in your mix. So this is me adding it now to the mix. You can see it's not thick. Okay, this is how it is. You don't want it like thick. This is cornstarch. So I have added it, and immediately this is going to firm up. Watch. You see, you see.
it's going to firm up immediately. So if this is your first time of seeing how um this kind of what's it called, chicken pie or meat pie, this is the same process for meat pie. So if this is your first time seeing how this is processed, you can see the work of corn starch in it. Like this thing thickens up fast. Okay, so this is how me I want it. I don't want it thicker than this, and I don't want it lighter than this. This is just perfect. It's going to really look taste nice and feel moist in that pie. So guys, this is it. Yeah, you just want to stir to get all of those cornstarch going on, and you want this to really mix well. So after which, take it down, it's ready. So I'm just going to cool this off and get some beautiful pictures for you guys, now. So squad, if by now you haven't you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like it. I know you guys like always want to do that, but somehow you might forget. That is why I am here to always remind you. Okay, this is just a soft reminder. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if it's your first time coming to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, comment, and yeah guys, see what we created. See the beautiful moist and delicious looking feeling. How do you see this? What do you think? Are you going to be trying this? Did it meet your expectation? See guys, this thing tastes as good as it looks. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Thank you for always coming back. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die.